we have started the ledger posting of purchase book. We have started the ledger posting of purchase book, subsidiary books, and then we will do the ledger posting of subsidiary. First of all, we are from Kanpur. You are Gopi Chand and Sons from Kanpur, UP, and you have purchased on January 5 goods from Rahul Bajaj from Kanpur on credit rupees 2,50,000. No trade discount is given to you. What you will add? You will add the CGST and SGST. 6% each. You are from UP, Kanpur, and you have purchased goods from Rahul Bajaj, Kanpur. 2,50,000, 6% of 2,50,000 will be added as CGST and SGST. Now total you have purchased 2,80,000. This is all about January 5th. This total will be written in the total column. Then no IGST was there. CGST and SGST we have written. Then purchase price was 2,50,000. Okay. Now come to the next date, January 13th. Purchase goods from Ganesh Industries of Kolkata, West Bengal. The state is different now. On credit of the list price goods rupees 1,20,000 less 20% trade discount. January 13th, you have purchased goods from Ganesh Industries. From Ganesh Industries of West Bengal. The state is different now. Earlier it was UP. You are from UP. But West Bengal you are dealing. The goods worth rupees 1,20,000. And they have allowed us a trade discount of 20%. 20% of 1,20,000 will be 24,000. Now purchase price became 96,000. First of all, we have to deduct the trade discount, then we have to add the taxes. IGST will be charged now, 12%. If state is same, then we charge CGST, SGST. If state is different, we charge IGST. Total of these two, 6 plus 6, 12% IGST of 96,000. It will be 11,520. Now total we have paid 1,70,520. This much we have to pay. We have purchased on credit. This is the total 1,75,20. IGST, no CGST, SGST. This is the purchase price after the trade discount. Now have a look on another date. The next date is 18th. You have purchased furniture for office. This is not a good. This is not goods. We just have to record the goods. But this is the entry of asset. So we will not record it here. Last date is given to you 28th. Purchase goods from Vijay Modi of Surat, Gujarat. The supplier's name is Vijay Modi and he is from Gujarat. The state is different now. Of rupees 1 lakh. At 12.5% trade discount. Less trade discount 12.5%. So 12.5 of 1 lakh will be 12,500. How much we have purchased? 87,500. Now we will add IGST 12% because state is different. 12% IGST will be 12% of this 87,500 will be 10,500. This is 98,000. Total similarly you will write here IGST in IGST's column. No CGST, SGST. This is the purchase price 87,500. The only thing which we have to do is the total of these columns only, not of the detail. So total purchase we have done 4,33,500. 15,000 we have to pay as CGST, as SGST, and total IGST we have to pay This is the total which we have to pay including all the taxes. Okay, bache, this was our purchase book. We have purchased goods on credit. If we have purchased from same state, it will be charged CGST, SGST. If different state, then the both add total of these both IGST will be charged. And if there is any entry of cash or asset purchase on credit, we will not record that. Only we will record the entry of goods. Now, how much accounts we have to prepare? How much accounts? Rahul Bajaj, Ganesh Industries, Vijay Modi. Three accounts we have to prepare for the suppliers. Then we have to make the separate accounts of input CGST, input SGST, input IGST. And at last, we have to record the purchase account also. Rahul Bajaj, Ganesh Industries, Vijay Modi 3, purchase 4, and taxes 3. 7. Total 7 accounts we have to make. 3 for the name of suppliers, then purchase and taxes. Okay, we have made the format already. The first name was Rahul Bajaj. Rahul Bajaj. Second name was Ganesh Industries. Third name was Vijay Modi. Fourth name was Input CGST account. Input SGST account. Then bache input IGST account, and last we have to make the purchase account. So these 7 accounts we have to make. Now we have to do the posting. That's it. But a posting will be done on the opposite side. If we have passed the journal entry, have a look. Purchase account debit to Rahul Bajaj. This is the journal. Purchase goods from Rahul. In Rahul's account, we will write by purchase. What we will write? 2018 January 5, by purchase account. We have purchased goods from Rahul. 2,50,000 was the purchase price. From purchase column we will write. Then same date by input CGST and by input SGST. 15,000. If we want to do the total, it was 2,80,000. Here we will write January 31st, the end of the month, by balance carried down 2,80,000. And if we will write the balance BD, it will be written on February 1 by balance brought down, that we have to pay 2,80,000 to Rahul Bajaj. Is it clear? Balancing is not done in this question, but I have taught you. This is the way of balancing. The simple journal entry is purchase account debit to purchase account debit, input CGST, input IGST to Rahul Bajaj. In Rahul Bajaj, you will record all these three things: by purchase, by input CGST, by input SGST. Similarly, Ganesh Industries, same entry will be there: purchase, input to Ganesh Industries. Now you will write in Ganesh Industries 2018 January 13 by purchase account. By purchase account 96,000, and by input IGST, it was IGST 11,520. 96,000 plus 11,520. Now Vijay Modi bache. Again we will write in Vijay Modi's account date January 28 by purchase account. 87500 and by input IGST 10,500. So all the three accounts we have written: buy purchase by input taxes, buy purchase by input tax, buy purchase by input tax. Now in input taxes, what we have to write? Input was debited. We will write to Rahul Bajaj, to Ganesh Industries and to Vijay Moti. January 5, CGST one time was charged. January 5 to Rahul Bajaj. Only one time CGST is used in the question. Rahul Bajaj 15,000. And one time only SGST was used to Rahul Bajaj 15,000. Now we have to write in IGST. IGST we have used two times, January 13 and January 28, to Ganesh Industries 11,520 and to Vijay Modi 10,500. Okay, बच्चे. At the end we have to write purchase account. In purchase account 2018 January 31 we will write the total, and we used to write to sundries as per purchase book, that is 4,33,500 total of purchase account. This thing, sundry stands for total. In purchase account we will write to sundries as per purchase book. So this is the general posting of ledger posting of purchase book.